so today's plan is to take off the outer quarter skin and hopefully test fit the 1M panel. So basically the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna drill out all the spot welds along this quarter, cut it where needed, pull the outer quarter off, and then take the 1M outer quarter and kind of test fit it. Hopefully we can get to the point where the 1M quarter's on, just, you know, roughly in the right areas. And then tomorrow, I think the plan is to actually put that quarter physically on, glue it, put the rivets through, weld wherever needed, put the fish plates in. So hopefully we make the progress that we're intending to do. I guess you guys will tag along and see what happens.
What I do if we do cut it is cut like here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Like
so
an inch out.
Yeah,
and
so
then
you can still drill and spot weld in there.
Well, and then I'll put glue on this edge.
Oh, smart, yeah, to that panel.
Yeah, and then it glues and I'll probably weld it.
Yeah. We got the 1M quarter on. It's not like bolted in or nothing's been done. It's just kind of sitting there. We obviously, as you can see where the yellow tape lines are. So right there, and another one right here. We've left a bunch of excess so that we have just a bit of metal to play around with. So we still need to actually cut it here. We need to still cut it along this seam here and one more along here. Put the fish plates in. All that stuff still needs to be done. But for today, we got to the point where we wanted to be, which was just test fitting this panel. Tomorrow, the plan is to physically actually start gluing this panel in, cutting along here, putting the fish plates in, all that stuff. But we're happy with the progress we made today.
Somebody order Rambos?
Today we're gonna remove the inner wheelhouse panel. What we kind of decided was we took this piece off because we're gonna use the 1M piece here, and we gotta grind some of the seam sealer off, remove the spot welds in here so we can remove this. Then we're gonna have to cut around here and test fit the inner panel from the 1M, and hopefully once that's test fitted, we'll get the outer skin on and start playing with it and all that.
Today we got the inner wheelhouse in. We had to cut the old one, so it was a little different for the 1 series to the 1M. So we had to do some trimming. Once we got it test fitting, we put the outer skin on. Everything lines up beautifully. So once we knew everything was gonna fit, grind it smooth, get some panel bond on there, put some rivets in it, you're good to go. It's gonna be a lot stronger than just welds and far more corrosion resistant. We're a little off today for the outer skin, so we'll probably get to that tomorrow. A little bit of cleaning up around some edges, a little bit more grinding to get all the lines right, and then the outer skin should just fall right into place, and a little bit more glue and rivets, and on to the next one. So it goes through this layer of metal here, and then before it goes through this one, it flares out. So these teeth kind of bite into this layer and don't come all the way through. So it pinches the two together. On the backside, you'll see a bump. All right, so as you guys saw, we got the quarter panel on, glued and screwed and riveted everywhere. Our gaps are nice and tight. They're good and even all the way around. We can work with the door. Once everything was fitted, it was just a whole bunch of glue and rivets. Now we have to wait 24 hours for it to dry, then we can start the other side.